The Philippines, a land of enchantment, a place where thousands of islands beckon, and within this archipelago, a gem awaits. Boracay Island. Imagine powdery white sand. Picture turquoise waters sparkling under the sun. This is Boracay, a paradise waiting to be discovered. From the moment you arrive, Boracay casts its spell. The air is warm and inviting. Palm trees sway gently in the breeze. The sounds of laughter and music fill the air. It's a feast for the senses. Boracay is calling you. Are you ready to answer? White Beach. The name itself conjures images of pristine beauty. And it doesn't disappoint. Located in the heart of the Philippines, White Beach is a paradise that lives up to its name. This 4-kilometer stretch of sand is Boracay's crown jewel. It's a place where the horizon seems to stretch endlessly, merging the sky and sea into a seamless blue. The sand is incredibly soft, like powdered sugar beneath your feet. Each step you take feels like walking on a cloud, making it a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll. The water is crystal clear, inviting you for a swim. You can see the sea bottom, teeming with vibrant marine life, making it a snorkeler's dream. Whether you choose to relax on a sun lounger or take a dip in the azure waters, White Beach is pure bliss. The gentle waves and the warm sun create a perfect environment for relaxation. As the sun begins to set, the sky erupts in a kaleidoscope of colors. The vibrant hues of orange, pink, and purple paint a breathtaking picture. It's a magical experience that will stay with you long after you leave. The silhouette of people against the colorful sky creates a serene and unforgettable moment, making White Beach a true tropical dream. Boracay is a haven for water lovers. Beneath the surface of the turquoise waters lies a vibrant underwater world. Snorkeling and scuba diving are a must-do. Colorful coral reefs teem with marine life. Schools of fish dart in and out of the corals. You might even spot a sea turtle gliding gracefully by. For those seeking adventure, there's parasailing and jet skiing. Boracay's waters offer endless opportunities for fun and excitement. Section 4. Beyond the Beach. Exploring Boracay's hidden gems. While the beaches are undoubtedly Boracay's main attraction, there's more to this island than meets the eye. Venture beyond the shore, and you'll discover hidden gems. Mall is a bustling hub of activity. Here you'll find shops, restaurants, and bars. For a taste of local life, head to Station 3. This area is known for its laid-back vibe and affordable eateries. And for a truly unique experience, visit Willie's Rock, a volcanic rock formation that has become an iconic symbol of Boracay. Section 5. A glimpse into Boracay's past. Tales and traditions. Boracay, a gem in the Philippines, is not just a paradise for beach lovers, but also a treasure trove of rich history and vibrant traditions. Boracay's beauty is more than skin deep. Beyond its stunning beaches and crystal clear waters lies a story waiting to be told. This island is steeped in history and culture. From ancient times to the present day, Boracay has been a melting pot of various influences and traditions. The island's name is said to be derived from the local word borac, which means white cotton. This name reflects the pristine white sands that Boracay is famous for. Legend has it that the island was once covered in cotton plants. These plants were believed to have given the island its unique and enchanting appearance. Today, Boracay is home to the ATI tribe, the indigenous people of the island. The ATI have lived here for centuries, preserving their unique way of life. Their traditions and way of life are an integral part of Boracay's cultural tapestry. The Ati's dances, music, and rituals offer a glimpse into the island's soul. Take some time to learn about the island's past, and you'll gain a deeper appreciation for its present. Engage with the locals, listen to their stories, and immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage that makes Boracay truly special. Section 6. The Call of Boracay, an invitation to paradise. Boracay is more than just an island, it's an experience. Nestled in the heart of the Philippines, this tropical gem offers a unique blend of natural beauty and vibrant culture. It's a place where you can escape the everyday and embrace the extraordinary. Imagine walking along the pristine white sandy beaches, feeling the soft, powdery sand beneath your feet, and listening to the gentle waves lapping at the shore. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a bit of both, Boracay has something to offer everyone. From thrilling water sports like parasailing and kayaking to simply lounging on the beach with a good book, the island caters to all your desires. So why wait? Answer the call of Boracay and discover the magic of this tropical paradise for yourself. The powdery white sand, the crystal clear waters, and the stunning sunsets create a picturesque setting that feels like a dream. The vibrant culture, it's all waiting for you. Explore the local markets, savor the delicious Filipino cuisine, and immerse yourself in the rich traditions and warm hospitality of the island's people. Come and experience the beauty of Boracay firsthand. You won't be disappointed. Whether it's a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo adventure, Boracay promises memories that will last a lifetime.